Really, so why should they? This is what happening in our class. I'm saying the children are not respecting the other teacher. Thank you. I don't thank you. Go up. Yes. Oh, I finished. Still one next one. Sit touch. No. Okay, enough. Thank you. You go and sit now. Enough. Enough. Thank you. Now here in this, though it is you are going to introduce yourself. You are spoken in the English methodology. You are going to write about yourself. It should be in a very easy going English. Second thing, it should be in descriptive method. You should not say I'm good, I'm very good, I like it. Like a small sentence you should not write. You should describe you to the length. Though it is you are going to introduce yourself. You are spoken in the English methodology. You are going to write about yourself. It should be in a very easy going English. Second thing, it should be in descriptive method. You should not say I'm good, I'm very good, I like it. Like a small sentence you should not write. This is what happening in our class. I'm saying the children are not respecting the other teachers. Is it not? Am I right? Yes or no? So we and the small cages, they will see us in you guys when they are seeing the other teacher. I'm telling you guys, be a teacher. Respect them. In front of them, don't talk with your peers. Don't talk. Have food with them, with your friends, with your children. What did you bring? You ask them, what did you bring? Something like what were. If somebody is sad or happy, you can ask, why you are looking dull here? What is the problem? You can ask, why here? What is the reason? So, we cannot help them. The truth is, we are not helping them. We are. And when they chat with us, they get relaxed. That's all. But that is a big motivation. That motivation is biggest one. You guys don't know. That is why even when they are wrong, I will not say, but I have never said anything because it is the way we motivate our children also. You give them good discussion when they come with that. You should not say, no, it is wrong, it is right, this is that, and that. No, everything is correct. We can prove everything is correct. Yes, I heard it is there now. Wait. Thank you. I couldn't thank you. Go up. Yes. Oh, I finished still on next. But when you are asking the question, that time you should not say be quiet. Before itself, you should say, when I ask any time any question, you should not open your mouth and answer, you should only hands up. This is the first rule I want from all the classes. If this is being said, the voice will never come from any class unwantedly. The word is unwantedly, you will feel also better. The children will come to you and tell thank you, ma'am, for all your blessings and all your teachings. It is to be not on 5th because